Hello, and happy International Women's Day. We're going to create beautiful projects for you in this craft collaboration with Monika, PaperMona Create with Katarina, Marta Debicka, and myself. And I'm hosting this craft collaboration for this really special day. And I'm going to show you how to create this super gorgeous card measuring 7 by 7 inches. For my project today, I'm going to use Chloe's Craft Gift box. It has lots of beautiful design papers, but what's really good about this magazine, it also has some projects featured, which Katarina created all of them, which I think they are super gorgeous with lots of different beautiful patterns. So, in this craft magazine, you've got amazing stamp set collection with some amazing butterflies and flowers. There is also an embossing folder, a stencil, and a cutting die. And I'm going to use those two sets today using those amazing butterflies and also a flower. And I stamp them on watercolor card and I use my Hemi watercolor paints to add the color. So first I started with the set on the left hand side and then I added a little bit of shimmer using the set on the right. And if you do have any color medium, I encourage you to create some swatches, or especially on the paper you're going to use for your projects. And that's what I did here. That really saves you time later because the colors on the palette don't always reflect the real color. Here I've got 7 by 7 inches white card blank and the gold card measures 6 and 3 quarters by 6 and 3 quarters of an inch. The pink color measures 6.5 by 6.5 of an inch. And this one is from this beautiful craft gift box. I'm using my one and only liquid glue to attach it to the gold card, and then I'm going to place it at the front of the card. This project is created for a very special woman in my life. She is my best friend, and whenever there is any problem or struggle, she is always there for me, and she loves pink, so that's why I decided to go with that color palette. Camera, as I told you, I stamped those beautiful images and I painted them in using my watercolor paints. And here you can see the result. I absolutely love how vibrant those watercolor paints are. If you'd like to see my haul from London, I'm going to leave the link in the top right corner so you can have a look. And don't forget to check Monika, PaperMona Create with Katarina and Marta's beautiful tutorials for today's projects. They projects are simply gorgeous, so go and have a look. It would be amazing if you're new to our channels to subscribe and give us a comment. That really means a lot to us. With the butterflies, I added a little bit of double-sided foam adhesive for extra dimension and that really makes a difference. And now, as you can see, this one is nearly completed, but I thought something is missing inside that beautiful flower circle. So what I'm going to do, I use some watercolor card I had left over from stamping and I actually die cut that beautiful butterfly you saw earlier. I think this is one of the best cutting die sets in any of the magazine boxes. Do you have this magazine box? Please let me know in the comments down below. Today, we really want to encourage you to create a card for a very special woman in your life. That really means a lot to us. Here I've got a sentiment in Polish and I use that alphabet cutting die from Craft a New Design. It is a Polish brand and I'm going to place it on yellow flowers. So to be honest, the sentiment is going to be hidden a little bit because you have to tilt the card to see it. And I really like that thing. If you do the same, please let me know in the comments down below because I'm really curious. So as you can see, I'm starting with the top first and then the bottom part. Really easy to do because it doesn't have to be perfect here. Have you ever created a card for Women's Day? If you have, please let me know if you use some stamps, cutting dies, maybe embossing folders. And if you do create your own card for today's very special occasion, please let us know in the comments down below. We would absolutely love to see your beautiful makes. So don't forget to go to Monika, PaperMona, Katarina, and Marta and check what they created for this super amazing occasion. Here I've got two Distress Oxide ink and Kish Flamingo and picked raspberry. I'm going to apply the ink at the top of that butterfly die cut. I'm going to get rid of the top here. I don't need it at the moment. And then when this part is ready, then I also die cut that beautiful detailed element as well. And this one is from the watercolor cut, so it is pretty thick because it is 300 GSM. Here I've got Dusty Concord and Villainious Potion. I really like those pinks and purples together. If you like those Distress Oxide inks, please let me know in the comments down below. So when this is ready, I'm going to apply the glue here and I'm going to attach those two elements together. Then I'm going to add a little bit of dimension by shaping the wings. And this is the best thing you can do. And what's really good about this card, it will go into flat envelope and I can easily post it. I actually did that. So now I'm going to put a little bit of liquid glue, get rid of the excess on my hand. And then what's missing is the gold body of the butterfly. And I think this color palette is perfect for spring. If you like it, please let me know in the comments down below. To be honest, I can't really wait for amazing and beautiful spring. We had a very long but beautiful winter, don't get me wrong, but I would really like to have a little bit more sunshine and actually warmer days. Moment it is not that bad because it is over 10 degrees, but it was like -10 not that long ago. So here I'm shaping the wings of the butterfly and I'm going to attach it at the front of the card. And what's missing here is a little bit of elegance. And to do it, I'm going to add some beautiful pearls in the corners. And the card is going to be completed. Super quick and simple. So if you do have any watercolor paints, I do encourage you to take them out, stamp some beautiful images and paint them. As you can see, those butterflies really shine when you tilt the card. That metallic, shimmy watercolor paint, it is absolutely fabulous. So don't forget to check our craft collaboration. Go to Monika, PaperMona, create with Katarina and Marta Debicka. Their projects are absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And happy International Women's Day. I really hope you'll have absolutely fabulous day. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!